Welcome back, YouTube. Today we're doing a serpentine belt on this Town & Country. Here is the part number for the belt. The belt is located on the passenger side, and you're going to have to get it from underneath. The tensioner is this guy right here. So that's what we're going to play with to get the belt on and off. As you can see on this belt, we have damage on the edge there, and then you can see on the belt here, it's cracking a lot. Alright, so I tried to get a ratchet or a breaker bar in here to get into this hole, and no luck. So, use a little breaker bar in that hole on the frame here, and then we're going to unfeed it like so. And my light moved and then shut off. So anyways, so now the belt's off. We remove the belt, pay attention to the way it's ran, and then we're gonna rerun the new belt in the same orientation. I had to use a long breaker bar to push and get the belt over that top back one, and then it comes down, flat part goes around the idler, goes around the alternator, air conditioning, main crank, and goes up and over the idler, the tensioner I mean. And so now I'm gonna have to get help. What I'm gonna do is you do it identically to what you did last time to take it off. You pull down the tensioner as much as possible, and then you're gonna hook the belt on the final pulley, which is this. I believe that's the power steering. So I got it on now. I use the pry bar on this to get enough slack. I started on the back side of this pulley first, and then I wrapped it around. Then before I let go, which you might want to just have two people, one person hold the pulley and one person do the belt, just verify that it's inside the pulley on each one all the way around, because last thing you want to do is put the tension on and then find out you're off a tooth on the pulley and the belt's like sticking out on it, right? I'd like to thank everybody for checking this video out. Hopefully it helps you. It's not super complicated, and if I wasn't taking a video, it only took about 60 seconds or so. But the point is, a lot of people don't know how to do this, so I hope I helped you. Till next time, wrench on.